Hey, it's Ian, and today I have the MER-MAID Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Now this is not only gonna keep your toilet bowl looking clean, but also smelling clean. Let's take a look at the commercial.
Cleaning the toilet is a nasty job. Trying to remove nauseating stains with bacteria-infested brushes and toxic cleaners are enough to make anyone sick. And in a few days, you'll have to do it again. Introducing MER-MAID, the all-new hands-free toilet bowl cleaner that automatically cleans, deodorizes, and freshens every time you flush for up to 3 full months. Just remove the tab and drop MER-MAID into the tank. Immediately, MER-MAID goes to work, releasing the ultra-strength cleaning solution that breaks down stains and residue and washes them away. If the water is blue, MER-MAID is working for you.
I could not get rid of the yellow rings or the hard water stains. Shortly after using MER-MAID, the stains were gone. That's how I know it works.
MER-MAID uses sustained release technology to deliver the exact amount of cleaning solution each time you flush.
Now if your toilet bowl is already clean, this is going to keep it clean so you never have to wash it again. But if your toilet is stained from years of gunk, this is still gonna work thanks to its crystalline gel. So when you go to wash it, you can easily swipe away all that gunk with just a toilet brush. Now this is an awesome product that you're definitely not gonna wanna miss out on. So head on over to the site to see our awesome deal today.